Hi friends, I'm back again with a very short and easy tutorial on how to duplicate your team. For example, you are a part of different teams. You have created different teams or classes for your for your class setups, and you would want to duplicate one of them. How would you do that? So it's very simple. Go and click on join or create a team. Then you create a team, class probably, uh, and select this option down, create a team using an existing team or as a template. Click on that. So I would want to duplicate, say, the team I have created, Drama PYP1. So I go click on that and I say choose team. I would want all the options as it was there. I would want the members as well. And of course, I did not have any channels added to the team, so therefore it's coming grayed over here. I would want to rename this as, say, drama. Say I'll do it as music PYP, music PYP1. Okay, and I go ahead and create. So that's pretty simple, and that's how we all do it. So I'll just show you once it appears. Okay, so it is already created. So if you want, we can go ahead and add more students to this, or just click on skip. And here is what our team or the classroom looks like. So I had prior two members joined the team. So I can go and go to manage teams and add more members to it. So one member was a guest and one I was the owner. So if I have to add another teacher, so I say for example added Preeti Sunil was already added to this team as a member, and I want to go ahead and add another member to the team but give her the ownership rights because she is going to be the facilitator who will be running the entire class. So a music facilitator, so I can just go ahead and add a member. So I would do that. So since it's a music team that I've added, so I'll say Jordan. So Jordan James, he's a music facilitator. Just go double check. Yes, he is the one. And go ahead and add him. Okay, once he is added, he is also added as a member over here, but we want him to be we want him to be the owner. So just go and click on the drop down menu, click on owner, and now he becomes the owner of the team. So he can co-conduct, co-organize classes along with you. Hope this tutorial was helpful for all of you, and stay tuned for other updates on Microsoft Teams.